Is your TPMS light still on even after filling your tires? Before you spend money at a repair shop, try these simple reset methods. In many cases, you can turn off the TPMS warning light in just a few minutes, right from your driveway. Let's get started. First, make sure all 4 tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Don't use the maximum PSI printed on the tire. Instead, check the sticker inside the driver's door for the manufacturer's recommended pressure. If your vehicle has a full-size spare with a TPMS sensor, check that too. A single low tire is the most common reason the TPMS light stays on. Method 1. Drive the car. Many vehicles reset the TPMS automatically. Simply drive at 30 to 50 miles per hour for about 10 to 20 minutes. If the light turns off, you're done. If not, move to the next method. Method 2. Use the TPMS reset button. Some vehicles have a TPMS reset button under the steering wheel, inside the glove box, or near the center console. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the reset button until the TPMS light blinks 3 times. Release the button, start the engine, and wait a few minutes. Method 3. Ignition reset. Some cars allow a reset through the ignition. Turn the ignition on for about 10 seconds. Turn it off. Repeat this 3 times, then start the engine. It doesn't work on every vehicle, but it's quick and worth trying. Method 4. Battery reset. If the light is still on, disconnect the negative battery cable for about 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect it and start the vehicle. Keep in mind this may reset your clock, radio, or other saved settings. Method 5. TPMS relearn. If you've replaced a TPMS sensor, installed new wheels, or rotated your tires, your vehicle may need a TPMS relearn. Some cars do this automatically. Others require a TPMS scan tool or a relearn tool. Without this step, the warning light may stay on even when your tire pressure is correct. Why your TPMS light won't turn off? If none of these methods work, one of these problems could be the cause: a damaged TPMS sensor, a dead sensor battery, incorrect tire pressure, a faulty spare tire sensor. The relearn procedure wasn't completed. At this point, scanning the TPMS system is the fastest way to find the exact problem. Replacing sensors without diagnosing the issue can waste both time and money. Bonus tip for you: if your TPMS light flashes for about 1 minute before staying on, the problem usually isn't a low tire pressure. It's likely a faulty TPMS sensor or a system malfunction. In that case, a reset alone won't fix the issue, and you'll need to scan the TPMS system default codes. And that's how you reset the TPMS on most cars. If the light came back on after trying these methods, let us know your vehicle's year, make, and model in the comments, and we'll help you figure it out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fixpro Garage, and turn on notifications for more simple DIY car repair guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.